It's Christmas time with the TheMadSnap'r, y'all. So we're gonna do a little food experiment.
We're gonna do Christmas balls, sausage cheese balls, and kind of gonna mix it up a little bit. So I messed up. I got hot instead of mild. So we're gonna play with it a little bit. We're gonna add some sweetened dried cranberries, and I'm also gonna square up this bacon and use the bits. I'm gonna mix it in there and see what happens. Basically, we have 1.5 cups to 2 cups of your favorite baking mix. I usually use Bisquicks, but I have Jiffy today and not Bisquicks. A pound of sausage, favorite sausage. You can mix this too. You can do sage sausage, all kinds of different stuff. Multiple, double the recipe, add different flavors, whatever you want. That's why it's an experiment. I'm being lazy, so I've got pre-shredded cheddar cheese from the Food Lion. This is a triple cheddar. So 4 cups of that. I've also got a little bit of, I reuse this bag. I've also got a little bit of smoked Gouda shredded. I'm gonna put in there. Then we got so this is pretty seasoned already, so I don't need a lot of extra seasoning. I do have about a teaspoon of pepper, salt, a little bit more of granulated garlic powder, some of my barbecue allspice that I'll use. That's from Bearded Butcher Blends Black Seasoning. It's got a little bit of coffee, molasses, brown sugar, all that good stuff. Can't have a Christmas meal without a little bit of thyme and rosemary. Even though I know it's going to get in your teeth, it's going to make everything smell way better. So that's what I mean by square up my bacon. This is a sweet maple thick cut Smithfield bacon. So I'm going to dice up these little bits and put in the mixture as well. Hopefully that'll sweeten it up a little bit, because I'm a big baby when it comes to hot stuff. Hoping, really hoping it kind of like balances itself out between all the other stuff I'm putting in. Anyway, it's an experiment. This is what we're doing. So back to, I think I got about 1.5 cups, almost 2 cups of the mix. We're going to do 4 cups of cheese and a whole pound of the sausage. Yeah, I don't know. That's probably just an ounce or so of the bacon bits. We're going to put it in there and see what happens. Let's mix it up. Bacon is about to go on the ham outside on the grill. I'm just doing a double smoked holiday ham on the grill, on the smoker. Kind of like I did last year. No need to make a video about that. It's already on the YouTube. All right, everything's in the bowl. I did not measure the cranberries. 2 handfuls. Yep, probably a cup if I had to guess. Going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then I'm going to butter my pan, pizza pan, and probably 20 to 30 minutes, somewhere up in there. We'll keep an eye on it at the 20-minute mark to, I want a good golden crust. Yeah, good golden crust. All right, let's get the hands washed up and mix this up. Ooh, I'm getting my phone dirty. All right, so that's after about 5 minutes. This does take a lot of kneading. You just squish it through your hands and keep squishing through your hands and keep squishing through your hands. If it need be, you can dribble a couple of drops of water or milk or something in there, but normally you don't. You just got to keep working it. And it's a lot of work, but it'll be worth it in the end. I'm going to roll this out and flip it a couple more times into each other, and then we're going to make the little sausage balls to put in the oven. Here we go. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is nothing more than adult Play-Doh. Yep, so that made a lot. I'm going to need 2 pans. In the oven. There you go. See you in about 20 minutes. All right, my oven light is not working. Let's see how they're looking. Oh yeah, I broke out a flashlight to look in the oven. That looks marvelous. Smells great too. I was thinking if they were too spicy, I could like make a glaze and brush on some honey butter, maybe, or maybe some maple syrup with some honey and butter. I don't know. Let's give these a couple more minutes to get a little crusty. All right, let's relieve these of their heat. Oh yeah, beautiful. that's pretty much it. 23 minutes, 375 for this batch. Yeah, give it a try, folks. See what you like. Play with the flavors. So many different ways to do this. This is a different way for me, completely. I know it's gonna be good. Very, 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 very tasty. And the cranberries did do the trick with the little extra sweetness, since I used the hot sausage instead of the mild sausage. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a try. Have fun. Experiment. Eat. Enjoy life. Merry Christmas.